If your eSIM is installed on your Android phone but data isn't working yet, don't worry. You may just need to update one quick setting, your APN. The next step depends on your phone brand. Look for one of these paths. Pause the video if it helps. Tap through until you find access point names. Once you're there, tap the plus icon or add to create a new APN. Type global data for both the name and APN fields. Then tap Save and make sure your new APN is selected as active. To finish, turn airplane mode on and off or restart your phone to refresh the connection. That's it. Your mobile data should now work normally. If it still doesn't connect, double-check the APN spelling, make sure mobile data is on and data roaming is enabled, and try again. If you are still not online, email support@bsng.com.